For just $60, I was able to buy this laser off of eBay. And if you're like me and aren't very careful, it can do some pretty serious damage.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
The laser came in a really nice metal case, which is pretty surprising considering that the guy I bought it from has an anime profile picture. After taking, longer than I should have to open it, I can see the contents of the box. There's a manual with some questionable English on it. Please stay away from children's store. Why? Surprisingly, the laser feels really heavy and well made, almost as if it wasn't made by a man with an anime profile picture. It has a warning sticker on it that's worrying for a number of reasons. First off, it's way too small to read with the naked eye. So I took a zoomed in photo of it, and I still can't read that bit in the bottom right. I'm pretty sure it just says warn, and then the beam of light, and then the rest of it is so garbled that it's pretty much unreadable. The rest of the label is equally broken. Not only is the power of the laser listed as 50,000 milliwatts, which is literally 10,000 times what it's listed as on eBay, and pretty much strong enough to be considered a weapon of mass destruction, but the rest of the label is also in broken English. Banned directed eyes, forbid children to play. Banned direct, oh they got direct this time, flammables. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. There's these laser safety goggles which do a pretty terrible job of blocking out the light from the laser, but they do look really cool. It also comes with some lenses that make patterns, 4 batteries, and a charger, which I would not leave plugged in unattended. In the United States, any laser over the power of 5 milliwatts is considered illegal, and so obviously eBay doesn't let you sell any higher than that. 5 milliwatts, coincidentally, is also what the laser that I bought was listed as, except for that whole part where it says it's 10,000 times that on the label. When I first turned on the laser, the beam was super weak, but then I charged the batteries for a couple of hours and it was all good, so yeah. And now that the laser is working, it's time to move on to the power test. That's funny. First test, will it light a match? Yes, it will light a match, and with ease. In fact, I was almost able to get the match to light by burning the wooden part and not even the head. For the next test, I was gonna see if it could burn my hair off, but I ended up just burning myself on my arm twice.
Ow! 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 Oh, I just...
And it hurt, so I stopped. But hey, at least I had my safety goggles on that don't work very well. Now, on to the third test, which is the paper burn test. Yeah, it burns the paper. It burns it real good. And the paper burn test left a burn mark on my desk that I can't get to come off, so that's cool. Interesting fact, I found that while it can burn black paper with ease, it can't do shit to white paper. Probably because... science. It ended up burning through 8 pieces of paper in less than 20 seconds, and that thing was on my skin.
Ow!
Okay, on to the last test, which is the beam test, where I test the beam of the laser. Why am I doing this video? I found that outside during the day you could barely even see the beam, but if you moved inside and turned off the lights, it was like a freaking lightsaber. And even more so outside at night. So, should you buy it? No, probably not. Not only is $60 more than most people would want to spend on something like this, but this thing might be a little bit too strong for normal use.
Ow!
I mean, that thing hurt so bad when it burnt me. But can you buy it? Yes, absolutely. No background check, no ID, nothing. Go ahead, get your powerful burning laser delivered by Friday. pro tip, if you do decide to buy it, I recommend storing it with the batteries out so that it doesn't turn on at night and catch something on fire or just explode, because it gets really hot when you use it. Okay, that's it. That's the end of the video.